Hey there, fitness pros. Welcome to our new video. If you're a personal trainer, yoga teacher, CrossFit coach, or run any fitness business, this video is for you. Suppose you're running a successful fitness business. Your clients are sweating it out, pushing their limits, and seeing results. But have you ever stopped to think, what if something goes wrong? What if a client gets injured or a piece of equipment gets damaged? Are you prepared, or plan for the unexpected? We're diving into something every fitness business owner needs to know: how to get the right insurance for your fitness business in the United States. Step 1. Understand why fitness professionals need business insurance. Let's start with the basics. Why do fitness professionals need business insurance? Sure, your clients might thank you for the soreness after a tough workout, but what happens if they claim that your training caused a serious injury? Without insurance, you could be facing hefty legal bills out of pocket, and trust me, that's not something you want to deal with. Business insurance can protect you from these financial risks, keeping your focus where it belongs, on your client's progress. Step 2. Learn about fitness liability insurance. Next, let's talk about fitness liability insurance. This is the cornerstone of any fitness business insurance package. It's usually required if you're planning to offer your services in a gym or if you're renting your own space. There are two types of liability insurance you should know about: general liability and professional liability. General liability covers the two biggest risks you face every day: injuries to other people and damage to property that doesn't belong to you. Imagine a client slips in your gym and injures themselves. General liability insurance has you covered. Then there's professional liability. This provides financial protection if someone claims you didn't deliver the services you promised or if your advice led to financial harm. This is particularly crucial if you're offering specialized training or advice. Step 3. Get a customized quote for your fitness business. Alright, now that you know what types of insurance you need, it's time to get a customized quote for your business. This is where you tailor the insurance to fit your specific needs. Whether you're a Pilates instructor, a dance teacher, or a martial arts coach, there's insurance designed just for you. Simply choose your profession and get a quote that matches your business type. Step 4. Understand the cost of fitness business insurance. How much does fitness business insurance cost? Well, the exact amount you'll pay depends on a few key factors: the types of fitness services you offer, the location of your gym or studio, and whether you have employees. For instance, if you're in a bustling city with high foot traffic, your premiums might be higher than a small studio in a suburban area. But don't worry, there's good news. You can save up to 25% in discounts when you buy fitness insurance with Next. Plus, if you bundle 2 or more policies, you can save even more. Step 5. Explore other important business insurance coverage. Liability insurance is crucial, but don't forget about other important coverages. For example, workers' compensation is a must if you have employees. This covers medical bills if you or one of your staff members gets injured on the job. Imagine you're demonstrating a challenging move and twist your ankle. Workers' comp could help cover your medical expenses, even if you don't have employees but want that extra layer of protection. Step 6. Get covered quickly and easily. Here's the best part: getting insured is quick and easy. With Next Insurance, you can get covered in just 10 minutes. You'll have instant proof of insurance and can even set up easy monthly payments to fit your budget. Whether you prefer to do it all online or talk to a licensed US-based advisor, the choice is yours. Business insurance has never been simpler. Step 7. Stay protected. Stay focused on your business. With the right insurance in place, you can focus on what you do best: helping your clients achieve their fitness goals. No more worrying about unexpected risks or financial setbacks. So, keep your business in shape with affordable, comprehensive fitness insurance. Your clients rely on you to keep them fit and healthy. Make sure you've got the protection you need to keep your business running smoothly. Ready to get started? Visit Next Insurance today to get your customized quote and protect your fitness business in just a few minutes. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.